Welcome back, darlings. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, and if you have done that, thank you for doing that. And today's tutorial, we're going to be learning how to make this ruffle turban. We're going to focus on the ruffle parts, and I'm so sorry, I think my camera is so close to the video. So this is my stone, this is my shiny stone, and I'm going to be having my glue gum. That is my gum, that's my B6000, that's my B6000, my scissors, my tape rule, which is my tape rule. That's it guys. Just look at this, my needle and thread. Just look at this. So sorry that the video is so close to this tutorial, I'm so sorry. So let's get started. So this is the ruffle part. I'm going to show you the measurement for the ruffle part. I'm having, look at it, 7.5 inches. Yeah, I'm 7.5 inches wide. That's 7.5 inches wide, and the total measurement is going to be 32 inches. So it's going to be 7.5 inches by 32 inches. So that's 32 inches long and 7.5 inches wide. In this ruffle part, when you're doing your running stitching, make sure it's very close to it. You have to make it tight, you have to be very close to it. And next we're doing right now, this is my scuba material. I use scuba materials. Just look at it. I use my scuba material. So I'm having another measurement. I joined the ruffle part together. The next one I have 25. So our measurement is, we have 32 inches by 7 inches. I'll repeat it again, 7.5 inches by 32 inches. That is our measurement. Just look at it. That's our measurement. Then you're going to be adding another one to it to make it full. And if you want to make it full more again, you're going to add to it. So next thing we'll be doing now, I'm going to be doing my running stitching. Just look at this. You can check my previous videos on how to do a ruffle. Keep doing the running stitch just the way I'm doing. See what I'm doing. And don't forget to keep liking, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. Share this with your friends and family. So you're going to do a running stitching just the way I'm doing it. Just have to take it easy because this is a scuba material, and this scuba material I think is a little bit hard. It's not that too soft. Just look at it. If you are using other material, a soft material like a wadding, I think you're going to add your fiber to it to make it firm because it's not a thick material. Just see what I'm doing. That is my ruffle part. I'm going to add the other measurement to it, the 25 inches by 7.5 inches. The first one is 7.5 inches and 7.5 inches by 35 inches. So I'm going to add to the second one again. This is my 25 inches. So I'm going to repeat the second part again. The way I do the first running stitching, that we're going to do this again. Just what I'm doing. See what I'm doing. Just take it easy. This is a scuba material. I use scuba material for the turban cap, and I use scuba material for the ruffle parts. Just what I'm doing. Keep doing your running stitching. Make sure it's very, very tight. You pull and make it tight. That is the beauty of the ruffle. So you keep doing this. Just see what I'm doing. If you are here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. That's very important. Thank you all for your love and your support. Thank you so much. And this is my phone number. I'm a busy person. I would just love you to send message to me on WhatsApp, because if you call, I may not pick your call. So I just want you to send me message, ask me question. I do answer people when you ask me question. So just see, we're done with the ruffle part. Can you see how the ruffle part is it? Just see that ruffle part. Wow, the ruffle part is out now. Just arrange the ruffle part the way you seen it in that picture. You're going to arrange your ruffle part. You make sure your ruffle parts, you see the way I'm arranging it, make sure it's very close to each other. Then that's what you're going to do. Just see what I'm doing. It's very, very easy to do. You can tack it to your turban body, you can glue it, just depending on what you want. I glue my own. You can tack. If tacking is best for you, you can tack, and if for you to glue, you can glue it. So what the next time we doing, I can see the ruffle have already come out. The next time we doing that, if you can sew that part, I sew it together. You sew that part before you glue it. I sew that part with my needle and thread. Make sure you take it easy. It's very very easy to do. Then I just see what I'm doing. Look at what I'm doing. You close that part. You close that part. You're going to close that part. You can use your hot glue to close the part, or you can use your needle and thread. Just see what I'm doing. And that is my hot glue. That is my hot glue. And I've already joined it together. I joined the ruffle part together, and I joined it to the turban body. So the next thing you're going to be doing now, you're going to stone it with your shiny stone. Just say I'm already embellished it, I've stoned it. So that is the finishing look. That is the finishing look. Thank you all for your love and your support. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. And don't forget, if you want the ruffle to be more closer, that means you're going to still tack it together. I think I'll later tack it together. You're going to tack it together. So bye, see you next time. I love you all.